Well, that was unexpected. It's a double header?
This is a required monthly test of the Mississippi Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
This is a double header? So no, this was not a double header. The WR300 was actually set on a different channel because I was just setting it as a different channel for better signal, and I completely forgot about that. So this radio, and this radio went off for channel 7, and the WR300 went off for a different channel, channel 6, I think I put it on. So I'm going to count it as one EAS since it's the same alert. Since it's for all of the state of Mississippi, I'm going to count it as one EAS. But yeah, no, it was not a double header. So that's what's actually happened. Pretty crazy.